to be normal, guys. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Say hey.
I want to go somewhere this summer.
Alright, guys. So here's a quick update. We are headed to pick up our new home.
RV.
So we're super excited. We haven't been able to update you guys lately because we've just been running around shopping for the RV and just trying to get everything situated paperwork wise. So unfortunately, we were hoping to be able to run by the police station to get the vehicle inspected, VIN verified, and unfortunately, due to the massive Microsoft outage.
Yeah, just say outage.
We're not able to do that. So we're about 5 minutes out from picking up the RV, and I can't stop cheesing. So the car is packed with a couple of our goodies. The boys are not paying us any mind, as you can see, but we're all excited, and we're wishing well for this new adventure, this new journey that we're
embarking on.
So stay tuned, guys. We'll update you in a few. So we're pulling it up at the house. For privacy purposes, guys, I'm not going to show the house or anything like that, but we're here. Look at this. It's all ready for us. Oh my goodness. Look at her.
Scratch on it.
No scratch.
Tell mommy that.
Tell mommy what?
What'd you say?
No.
What?
No.
What'd you say about the Georgetowns?
They're really good RVs, though.
They're good RVs?
Yeah, they're a good one.
Come on, Kai.
And why don't just a weather and a pea?
So look, this is our little baby, and now this is our home. Are you excited? Wait.
No, not in the wine. I have our bigger one. But not this time. Oh, it's dirty right here.
Carefully.
No.
Oh, come on, go.
Alright, guys, here we go.
What is that?
Alright.
Mama, what's that?
The cheese is cheesing. How you feeling?
I'm stuck.
You stuck?
It's like, no.
Are you happy?
Oh, yeah. New adventures.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yay.
Yay. Alright, guys, so we're gonna load up a couple of things just so we can head back to the hotel. We're gonna pick up our suitcases, and then we're gonna head to the campground.
But that's a spider.
A spider. Look how much stuff we have already, guys. And we have so much more to bring out.
Making a mess already. See that?
That's excitement. Excitement. Come here, boy. Hey, so we're locking up to head out?
Yep.
All right. Make sure everything is locked, guys.
Why did you do that? Huh?
Look at these guys.
It's not boomerang.
The stairs are not in.
How is much fun though? No, actually, if you do that, I saw in the video at the end of the video.
What's up?
Look at you. So you know what to do? This is my first time actually sitting in this seat, guys.
No, I don't. But
Let me see. Hi, kids.
Sit up.
here go
You
your keys.
sit there before.
Here's my keys.
No.
Look at this.
Here go your set.
But the door's still open.
All right, guys. So we haven't even left yet. Right now we're just getting the vehicle ready. We just finished unpacking the car. The boys are just sitting there waiting for us to figure all this stuff out right now. This is going to be my little workstation right here. Again, I don't want to show the previous owner's property.
scary at first.
It was scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sweating. You sweating, son. Let's go check in, guys.
Come on, guys. We made it.
We made it. It looks so peaceful, right? Let's go see. Let's go this way. He said you check in at the office so they can show us where we park our house. Go ahead. Follow Daddy. We gotta park our house. Thank you, honey. All right, guys. So we just arrived to where are we?
South Louisville.
South Louisville. So we're about to check in, and we're gonna be here for about 7 days,
Or maybe
maybe
14.
more, depending on how it is. But so far, it's quiet. I look a mess. 10 days. They had checkers. Hi. This is so cool. Look at this. So this is the office, guys. We're checking in. Louisville, South Carolina. Look, guys.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so
You're
much.
very welcome. So we didn't get a chance to do crafts with kids today, so that she did a
Okay.
grab and go, and there's like individual crafts and different things in the back.
What's that smell?
Yeah,
Why does it smell like fire?
because they're grilling and they're cooking food.
That smells good.
Okay, so look, Daddy's gonna level. Come look, guys, we're gonna see this for the first time.
How was it? Oh. Don't try what
So Leroy is going to plug up the electricity for the first time. Keys. So we're trying to get as much done before the boys get anxious. Let's see. All right. Does the RV need to be off when you're doing that? Want me to go turn it off first?
This is off.
That's off? All right, guys. You sure?
This is off.
Okay. Was that simple?
Yeah, you gotta cut it on. That's it, though. Maybe I should have rounded to you.
What you mean?
They can let me eat.
I don't know. Okay. We're not doing too bad, are we? I mean, I'm not doing anything yet. My job is to get the interior together, but we wanted to kind of capture our first time attempting all of this.
I'm gonna level it out right quick.
Yeah, that's cool. Close this up, though. You don't need this anymore. Listen to me giving directions like I know what I'm doing. It's locked?
I don't need it. You need it.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna do the slides. So this is opening up the area. All right. Okay.
This side.
Now back here, guys, it looks a hot mess. So just hold on.
That works too?
Yeah, because now you gotta make the bed so you got space to run back. So this is what it looks like.
Then move.
So now this is sliding back. It's gonna give us room. So all of this, guys, this is just everything that we were looking for stuff.
What is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And now the bed is out. Here's a dramatic. All right, guys. So we ended up getting pizza for tonight, as today has been a challenge. But Leroy was able to get the TV working. We just left Walmart, grabbed a bunch of groceries for the morning. You said you had pizza? Is it good? Okay. So now we're trying to clean up and get the beds ready for tonight. And tomorrow is going to be a full day. Right, Leroy?
Yes, ma'am.
A full day of deep cleaning, organizing. And then we'll be heading back to the store to grab whatever it is that we are missing out on. All right, guys. So this is night number 1. Day number 1 has been completed. We're going to kick back, make the beds, take showers, eat pizza, and have a glass of wine. He said he wasn't sleepy. So the kids are out on their first night.